So hey guys, it's KB here and you're watching KB Editing Zone. So today in this video we are going to create a text animation using KineMaster. So one of my subscribers suggested me to make a text animation from this advertisement. So let's have a look at the advertisement first. So without any delay, let's start our video. Open your KineMaster application and create a new project with 16:9 ratio. After that, choose a black background or any background as you wish and then add a text layer. So add your text and choose any of the font. Now increase the size of the text. Now go to layer and add a handwriting layer. Now choose the following setting for this. Now draw a line like this. Make the handwriting layer length half the length of the text. And then choose out animation erase in order. Now increase little size of the handwriting that we drew before and adjust like this. Now create another duplicate and adjust like this. Now create another duplicate and rotate like this. Now fix the line on the upper part of the L letter. For the second animation, start by adding a black background and a text layer. Now choose the font that you like. Let's decrease little size of the text and the background. Now split the text at the middle. Now select the first part of the text and choose the black text color. Now scroll down and go to the outline option and enable the outline and choose white color. Now choose the weight value of about 6 to 7. Now for the third, start by adding a black background or any other background and a text layer. Now choose the font for your text. Now increase the little size of the text. And then create a duplicate layer of the text. Now for the first part, choose in animation to slide left. Now from the second, edit the text and only keep the C letter. From the first text, edit the text and remove the C letter. Now adjust the C letter like this. Now select the C letter layer and add an animation. So add a key animation here. So at this point add another key. Now go to the first key and rotate the letter like this. Now for the fourth animation, start by adding a black background and a text layer. Choose the font for your text. increase the size of the text. Now let's decrease the length of the text layer and the background layer. Now select the text layer and add a key animation. Add one key at the starting and another key at the end. Now at the last key, increase little size of the text. Now go to the layer option and effect option and add the melting point effect. You can download this asset from the store. Now decrease the length of the effect and add to half of the text part. Let's adjust little setting of the effect. Now select the effect layer and add out animation to fade. Now for the fifth animation, start by adding a black background or any other background and a text layer. Choose normal type of font for this text. Now let's decrease little size of the text layer and the background layer. Split the text layer at the middle. Now select the first part of the text layer and go to the font and choose italic font.